VEVOR Tough Tools, half price. That's right, they're back. They usually send two and three items at a time. This is, oh, that's loud. There will be some assembly required. Good thing I got a tool set. Put together. That's nice. And it's height adjustable. It's a miter saw table. Oh, there. So I just happen to have a miter saw that needs a table. So let me go get that and put it together, and we'll see how this works. Figure out how to do it. Ready to go to work. I really like this stand and the way it's set up. You can fit just about any miter saw, no matter how large or small it is. You're able to position the saw so that the majority of the weight is like over the legs. You can adjust the height. When the day is done and you're putting things away, pick it right up just like that. When you're ready to go to work, lock it down. Now, talk about a great gift for Dad. I wish someone had given me one a long time ago. Kids, hint, hint, clue, clue. That's a fun tool for Dad right there. A fun, yeah. That's the kind of Christmas Dad likes.